What an absolute rip-off. What's going on here, mate? Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Quick bit of fuel economy information. This will be a quick one and it could save you from getting ripped off hundreds of dollars. So sit tight for a few minutes. This will be a short one. Firstly, our 2013 Hilux, alloy tray in the back, very light. 497 Ks, let's call it. That's pretty accurate. 55 litres, right? Hang on if we can get it right there. 55 litres. And you can see in the jerrycan 21.17 litres, even though the jerrycan was only filled up to 20 litres. Now you can see at the bottom, I mentioned that, and they took off 1 litre, which is about $1.50 a litre. So he's taken off, he's put it down as $1.50. It's not about the $1.50, it's about rip off. Now, this is how these companies make extra money. You want to make sure you check the pumps you're going to. Please let us know in the comments if you've been shafted, and sit tight. I'm going to show you the jerrycan and the pump so you can see for yourself how full it is and if this is a fair test or not. Anyway guys, just showing you the real information, helping you save a buck. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe, turn the bell on. More genuine, awesome information coming your way. Bada bing. Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just a quick one. Make sure you're not getting ripped off at your local servo. I just filled up a jerrycan, okay, and it may be hard for you to see. Or you're either getting ripped off at the manufacturer of the jerrycan. You can see it's not a hot day, it's not bulged, the sides are nice and flat, and I've noticed that I can fit over 22 litres into these when you overfill them, but I don't know if you can see that the fuel is right on the 20 litre line. Everything's flat and level, but the pump says 21.17 litres, so I found that very interesting. So beware of what your how much fuel you're paying for. It does happen where it's not accurate, or check with the manufacturer and see if they can't, you know, you think if they put a line on the side here, 20 litres with a line, it's going to be pretty accurate, not 1 litre out, surely. So look, I don't know what you think. Look, could a manufacturer of a jerrycan possibly get the 20 litre mark in the wrong position? Could it be that far out? 21, so basically almost 1.25 litres, and it's, you know, 1.25 litres. No, it just couldn't be. Surely they can get that right. Look, you know, they are, I think those containers, have to look at it again. Is that Australian made? Anyway, let us know in the comments what you think. Have you found similar either problems at the pump or problems with jerrycan marks being wrong? But it makes me want to actually do a measure test on this servo pump and see what they're up to, because not good, because if that's 100 litres, that's 5 litres out. Do the mathematics. If that's 200 litres, that's 10 litres out. So every time you fill up your 180 litre Prado tank, holy manoli, Batman, you know, it could be costing you, it's a few bucks. It all adds up over a year. That could be free rego. So beware of that. And if you're suspect on your local servo, go and get yourself a accurate 5 or 10 litre can, or measuring flasks, whatever you've got to do, and you're going to need to take a minimum 5 to 10 litres to get any sort of accurate measurement, depending how far out the pump is. I would say over a litre on a 20 litre jerrycan is massive. Now if it was a hot day and the jerrycan was stretched or something like that, I'd understand, but we're looking at about 15 degrees out here. It's not sunny, so it's going to be a la natural, cool temperatures and all that sort of thing. I find it a long way out. Thanks for watching guys, we're out of here. Bada bing, subscribe, bell on, ciao for now. I suppose, and for those that want to know, that was the company that took over Woolworths. What's it called? EG Fuel Co Australia Limited. I don't know who they are, but they could be dodgy as, I don't know. So I'll be looking forward to seeing what's in the comments about jerrycan marks. I mean, you know, it's Australian made jerrycan. It's only, you can see it's in like new condition. It's the second time it's ever been refilled. That's just one we used to refuel the Husqvarna, the ride-on lawnmower. Yeah, it's fairly fresh, that jerrycan, so I don't believe that it's going to be that far out. I do know that you can fit in about almost around 22 litres to these types of jerry cans when they're over full to the top, but I want to stress that it was only full up to the 20 litre line that's specifically marked on the top of the jerry can, both on level ground in the back of the ute. You know, it just wasn't over the 20 litre mark. You know, a litre over, looking at how much space it had left in it, it'd be overflowing. Last of all, for the people that want to work out their fuel economy, I reset trip A whenever I fill up. So we had, let's say, about 500 k's on the odometer. We had about quarter of a tank left, so it only took 55. So there was still, I think there was a 76 litre tank. So we still had about 21 in the tank. So the range would obviously be around, depending on what sort of driving you're doing, 600, 700, 800 kilometres on a Hilux. Nothing new about that. All depends on your setup. Some people get 400 because they've got big tyres and they're heavy and the way they drive. But so if it takes 55 litres on 500 k's, you're getting a bit worse than 10 litres per 100 k's. For example, that would probably be about 11 litres per 100 k's. I haven't done a mathematical calculation whatsoever, but you can do that. You can do 500 divided by 55 will get you how many k's to the litre, or you could do 55 divided by 55 divided by 500 will give you the opposite end. You might have to add another zero and it'll tell you 11 point whatever litres per 100 k's. Thanks for watching. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm out here. I meant to say it was a short one, but too much information flowing. See you guys. Anyway, I'm back at the workshop and I'm still looking at it going, mate, that's 5% out. What a rip-off. E.g. Woolworths, whoever you are. People need to be careful. Have a look at this, right? This should be a quality. You know, when I say quality, why is the camera looking all foggy at the moment? Do I need to clean the lens? Probably not need to clean the lens. Why is it all blurry? Hang on. No, focus is in all right. Anyway, look. This is a petrol can you buy from Bunnings. Adventure products, made in Australia for Australian conditions, tough, durable, vented pouring spout. I don't really care about that. Icon Plastics, that's who makes it, right? Now, I believe I'm going to trust Icon Plastics more than I'm going to trust bloody E.g. Fuel Co. Australia, right? I don't know if you can see that. Look, it's rocking. I'm rocking it around a little bit so you can see, right? That is quite accurate. It might be hard for you to see. You have to trust my judgment. And I've got to tell you, even if it's 1 millimetre over, that ain't going to be a litre, mate. It'd be only like 50 mil. Anyway, I've done it on level ground of the servo, in the back of the ute. The ute's, it's all level. You know, I can tip it this way. Doesn't matter which way I manipulate it. That is sitting right there on that 20 litre line. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try and hold it still. Anyway, 91 unleaded, E.g. Fuel Co. How to get yourself ripped off, guys. You know, little bits, it all adds up together.